students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following diagram. Starting with the first, let's name this as A, B, C, and let's say this extended portion is D. Here, we are going to use the one property, that is the sum of in opposite interior angle is equals to the exterior angle. Here this 115 is the exterior angle and x and 50 is the other interior angle. So we can say that the x plus 50 is equals to 115 degree. So solving this term, x is equals to 115 degree minus 50. Solving this further, we get the value of x, that is equals to 65 degree. So we can say that the 65 degree is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now let's discuss the part 2. So again naming this, let's say this is A, B and C, let's say this is D. Again using the property that the sum of the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angle. So from here, sum of the opposite interior angles are 70 plus x, which is equals to the exterior angle, which is equals to the 100. Solving this, x is equals to the 100 minus 70. Further solving this value, we get the value of x, that is equals to 30. So this is the answer to the part 2. Now let's discussing the part 3, naming this as A, B, C and let's say D. Again we are going to use the same property, that is the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So this angle B is 90 degree, this value angle C is what we need to find out. Exterior angle is given to us, which is equals to 125. So we can write this as 125 degree is equals to the 90 plus x. So x from here is equals to 125 degree minus 90. So solving this is equals to 35 degree. So from here we get the value of the x, that is equals to x is equals to 35 degree. So this is the answer to the part 3. Next, discussing the part 4, naming this as, let's say this is P, let's say this is Q, this is R, let's say this is X. Again we are going to use the property that is the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior angles. So here starting with fourth part. So here exterior angle is 120 given to us. So 120 degrees equals to the sum of opposite interior angle, which is 60 plus x. So x from here is equals to 120 degree minus 60 degree. Solving this term from here, we get the value of x, that is equals to 60 degree. So this is the answer to the part 4th of this question. Now let's discuss the part 5th. So we are naming this as P, Q, R. Let's say this is the extended portion x. Again using the property that is the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angle. So from here, considering about the part 5th, so exterior angle is 80 degree. So 80 degree is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angle, that is 30 degree plus x. So x from here is equals to 80 degree minus 30 degree. So simplifying this, we get the value of x, that is equals to 50 degree. So this is the answer to the part 5th of this question. Now let's discuss the next part. So let's say this is P, let's say this is Q, this is R and let's say this is S. Again using the property that exterior angle is equals to the sum of interior angles, opposite interior angles, basically exterior is 75, opposite interior are x and 35. So from here we can say that the 4/6 part exterior angle, which is 75 degree, is equals to the sum of opposite interior angle, that is x plus 35 degree. Simplifying this, x become equals to 75 degree minus 35 degree. Solving this term, we get the value of x, that is equals to 40 degree. So 40 degree is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of triangles and their properties. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.